Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Excel with Microsoft, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Excel download and press enter. Click on the official Microsoft link. On the Microsoft homepage, navigate to the products section. Select Excel from the list of available software. You will be directed to the Excel product page. Look for a button that says Buy Now or Try for Free. Click this button to proceed to the purchase or trial options. If you're purchasing, follow the on-screen instructions to select your plan. Fill in your payment details as required. Once payment is completed, sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. After signing in, locate the download option for Excel. Click the download button to start downloading the installer file. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions to run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Excel on your device. Choose your preferred installation settings if applicable. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, open Microsoft Excel from your applications list. You may need to sign in again with your Microsoft account. Once signed in, you're ready to start using Excel. Explore the features available to enhance your productivity. And that's how you install Microsoft Excel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.